see them one by one. So growth of first one is expansion, the enlargement or increase the same line of business. See, one product I am manufacturing means I'm going to increase in the industry. I'm going to increase the number of business units to manufacture the same product. So it is going to be the natural growth of enterprise. It is the use default growth any enterprise can have. It is growing on its own without joining hands with other enterprises. Introduce various. I'm going to introduce various schemes. Okay, introduce various schemes to ensure that I'm going to have a larger market base for me, or I'm going to penetrate deeper into the existing market. For example, exchange offer. Yes, anybody has any queries? The exchange offer. So through exchange offer, you can even sell your goods in a faster way, or you can sell more number of goods using the exchange offer. This is using market penetration. Market penetration means you are indirectly capturing the market using the product. The same product you are going to manufacture and sell, but you are going to increase the volume of the product on the same product line. Next one is through market development. So capturing new market for the existing product. You might be selling only in Tamil Nadu. You are also selling the same product in Kerala. That is going to be market development. Yeah, I'm not going to say change the product. The product is going to be same. I'm going to change. I'm going to look for new customers. I'm going to search for new customers for my product. That is first one is market penetration is same market and increasing the sales. Second one is market development. I'm going to expand my business across different. I'm searching for new customers. Next to product development or modification. So the same product maybe it will be boring for the customers to attract the customers, right? So for that minor modification you do to the existing product and you capture market for that. For example, hammam soap, it is very big. It is used in households, right? But for when you go for a travel, you cannot carry that big soap. So when the same hammam soap is made as a small handy soap for traveling, that is a small innovation done. So that is a way of capturing the market. Okay, so this is through the same product is there and the same product is slightly modified to meet the customer's taste. That is going to be the third strategy. The first one is market penetration, second one is market development, and third one is product development or modification. Advantages of expansion, it is going to be a natural growth, and it is going to be a natural growth without making any major change. I'm not going to change anything. So I'm going to just I'm going to stick on my basics, and I'm going to do only minor changes to my product or the company. Effective utilization of existing resources I'm going to do. Gradual growth leads to easy management. I'm not looking for a major growth. I am happy with the gradual growth and results in large scale operation. Drawback, time consuming. Yes, the growth rate is very, very small. Time consuming. If you're patient, means okay. Expansion the same line of products. Sometimes it delimits the enterprise growth. If the product is going to fail miserably, then the company will be completely stopped. Okay, so you should not depend on only one product for your growth. You should always innovate and ensure that your product line is not limited. And use of modern technology is limited because you're doing the same method again and again. So you will not be adopting this modern technology. Modern technology adaptation will be very, very limited.